Everyone thinks the best-selling smart bidet toilet seat is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Luxe Bidet NEO 120. First up is the Luxe Bidet NEO 120. Priced at just $39.99, this is a fantastic budget-friendly option that really caught my attention. If you want a simple, effective way to upgrade your bathroom without breaking the bank, this bidet attachment is worth a serious look. The adjustable water pressure is a big deal, as it allows you to customize your wash according to your comfort level. Plus, with over 102,100 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, you can trust that many others have found it reliable and effective. This essentially saves you money on toilet paper and gives you a gentler cleaning option. Now, some people complained about its non-electric nature, noting that it might lack the bells and whistles of more advanced models. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something straightforward that gets the job done without the complexities of electronics, this is definitely not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget or want a simple upgrade to your bathroom. Skip this one if you're looking for all the high-tech features that come with electric models. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if the simplicity of the NEO 120 isn't what you're after, the next one might actually be better suited for your needs. Product number 2, Brondell Swash Eco Seat. Next, we have the Brondell Swash Eco Seat, priced at $89.98. This model caught my eye with its dual nozzle system. If you want a more luxurious cleaning experience without going fully electric, this one's worth considering. What makes the Brondell stand out is its soothing freshwater wash that leaves you feeling refreshed. The dual nozzles cater to both rear and front washes, which is a thoughtful feature for family use. It installs easily fitting most elongated toilets and has a solid 4.3-star rating from over 11,100 reviews, proving it has a lot of satisfied customers. This is ideal if you're trying to reduce your environmental footprint by cutting down on toilet paper use. Some users noted that it might require a slight adjustment to get used to the positioning of the nozzles. But honestly, once you figure it out, it's a game changer for daily hygiene. This is perfect for you if you want a non-electric option that feels a bit more luxurious. Skip this one if you're hesitant about using a bidet due to installation concerns. It offers great value without the complexity of an electric model. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list takes a completely different approach and might be even more convenient. Product number 3, Smart Bidet SB1000. Now let's talk about the Smart Bidet SB1000, which comes in at $279.99. This one's a bit more tech-savvy and really caught my attention with its remote control feature. If you're looking for a hands-free wash experience, you should definitely check this out. The Smart Bidet features 3 adjustable water temperatures and 5 seat warming levels. The 3-in-1 self-cleaning nozzle means you can choose between a posterior, feminine, or turbo wash, ensuring a personalized clean every time. Plus, it boasts a strong 4.3-star rating from around 3,300 reviews, confirming it's well-loved by users. The energy-saving mode is a fantastic bonus too, helping you save on utility bills. However, some buyers have mentioned that the initial setup can be a bit tricky. But I'll be real with you, if you can get past that hurdle, the features and comfort you'll enjoy make it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're tech-savvy and want a customizable bidet experience. Skip this one if you're looking for something very basic and non-electric. It's definitely priced fairly for the quality you get. Now, if you're intrigued by the features of the SB1000 but want something even more luxurious, stick around because the next product is a real treat. Product number 4, Bio Bidet BB 2000 Bliss. Next is the Bio Bidet BB 2000 Bliss, priced at $489. This is definitely for those who want a high-end experience. If comfort and luxury are your top priorities, this bidet is a must-see. The BB 2000 is like having a spa in your bathroom. With features like warm water, a heated seat, and a soothing night light, it turns each visit into a relaxing experience. It also has a built-in deodorizer, which is a great touch for keeping things fresh. And with its wireless remote control, customizing your wash couldn't be easier. It holds a solid 4.5-star rating with over 4,200 reviews, showcasing its popularity among customers. You're getting premium hygiene and comfort all in one package. On the downside, some users found it a bit expensive. But here's the thing, if you want the ultimate bathroom experience, investing in this bidet can significantly improve your day-to-day life. This is perfect for you if you want luxury and top-notch features in your bathroom. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or just want basic functionality. While it's an investment, it truly offers a lot for your money. Alright, the BB2000 is impressive, but if you're looking for something that balances quality and cost, the last option might be just right. Product number 5, Clairesse Elongated Bidet Seat. Finally, we have the Clairesse Elongated Bidet Seat at a budget-friendly price of $79.99. This caught my attention with its non-electric dual-nozzle design. If you're looking for a reliable bidet without the frills, you might want to consider this. The Clairesse offers adjustable water pressure and a dual spray nozzle, which is perfect for both men and women. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort and cleanliness. Plus, it fits most elongated toilets, making installation straightforward and hassle-free. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 2,000 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its simplicity and effectiveness. It's a great way to save on toilet paper without overspending. Some customers have mentioned that it might require some getting used to. But honestly, once you adjust, it's an excellent solution that works well for everyday use. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, no-fuss bidet that gets the job done. Skip this one if you're looking for any high-tech features. It offers great value for what it is. To wrap it up, we've explored 5 different smart bidet toilet seats, each with its own unique benefits. The Luxe Bidet NEO 120 is a solid budget choice, while the Brondel Swash Eco Seat offers a step up in comfort. The Smart Bidet SB 1000 brings tech into the mix, and the Bidet Bidet BB 2000 delivers luxury. Lastly, the Clairesse acts as a reliable, no-frills option. Whichever you choose, investing in a bidet can truly enhance your bathroom experience.